Hi guys, my name is George, and in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up the wizard for rank math SEO for a better ranking in Google Search Control. It is very easy. You go to the after you install the plugin called rank math, you can find it. After you install it and activate, you go to the rank math SEO and click on setup wizard. You have three options here. You have easy for a website where you want to change only the basic and the rank math do the other stuff. You have the advanced mode to control every aspect of your website, and you have a lot of options to change everything and to have the full control of your website SEO. And you have also the custom mode if you want to make some particular changes in your one way. But I advertise you that the custom mode is only for those who have advanced skills in programming and in SEO knowledge. I advise you to click on advanced, and down you're gonna see checked this that your website is compatible with the rank math SEO. Let's begin to start the wizard. Now you have to add some stuff about your website. uh, First, what kind of business you have, and the type of a business you have here. A lot of options: medical clinic, pharmacy, exercise gym, wherever you can select wherever your website is. Yeah, this is the website name. If you have an alternative name, you can add it here, but it's not required. The organization name, and also you have to add a logo, and a logo for a social share image. Let's click and save and continue. Now the next part is about analytics. Here you have to connect your website to search control. uh, to Google Search Control and to Analytic. You have to add your details. I didn't select any of that. After that, you can add Google AdSense if you want to get some money from advertising on your website, and you'll get anything you have to know on your email report. Let's click on save and continue. The next step is the sitemaps of your website, which is already good as it is. I don't recommend to make any changes, but if you know what are you're doing, you can change and click some options here. If you have a video sitemap, you can also enable or disable, and then just click save and continue also. Now is the optimization page. I advise you to leave the category non-indexed. It is better for your site, and you can leave it as it is also on this page, and you're good to go. As I've told you, it's very easy. It's You don't have to be advanced and to have skills to do it. It's very easy to do it. And now your site is ready to improve the general SEO for better ranking. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.